Reading Fun for Kids. English Storytime Series.
The Starry Night Express. Once upon a time, in the quaint town of Everglow, there was a magical train known as the Starry Night Express. This enchanting locomotive only appeared on Christmas Eve, offering a special journey to children with hearts full of holiday spirit. As a group of friends eagerly gathered at the train station, they were greeted by the whimsical conductor Stardust. Each child received a golden ticket, granting them passage on the magical train. The Starry Night Express sparkled with a celestial glow, adorned with twinkling stars and festive decorations. The train's first stop was the candy cane forest, where enormous candy canes towered over the landscape. The children marveled at the sugary spectacle and were gifted sweet treats by friendly gingerbread villagers. Laughter echoed through the forest as the kids enjoyed the sugary wonders. Next, the Starry Night Express ventured to Snowflake Valley, a realm of glistening snowflakes and playful snowmen. The children engaged in a friendly snowball fight and crafted their own snow angels, surrounded by the magic of a winter wonderland. The highlight of the journey was the North Pole, where Santa's workshop awaited. The workshop buzzed with activity as elves prepared gifts for children around the world. Santa Claus himself greeted the young travelers, listening to their Christmas wishes and spreading joy with his hearty laughter. As the Starry Night Express chugged back to Everglow, the children nestled in warm blankets, sipping hot cocoa, and sharing tales of their magical adventure. The train arrived just in time for Christmas morning, leaving the kids with hearts full of joy, unforgettable memories, and a belief in the magic of the season.